sure you watch the whole video because I do a couple of big burnouts at the end and get some really good exhaust clips for you. Disco in here. So just really quick to show you the setup on the bikes. They are very similar. Both have the Akrapovic slip-on pipes. The R1 has 2 pipes, obviously. Mid-pipe cat delete, stock header, and this R1 is tuned by Baus Racing out of the States, has the ECU flash, and it has a K&N air filter. The Aprilia has the same setup, K&N air filter, it has a race ECU right from Aprilia, has Akrapovic slip-on pipe, that's an Aprilia accessory as well, and it still has the exhaust butterfly valve, but with that race ECU from Aprilia, it's tuned to stay open all the time. So essentially the same thing as a cat delete. The V4 in this bike actually sounds very similar to the Crossplane crankshaft in the R1. The noise coming out of the pipes is almost identical from a distance, but when you get up close and in person, the Crossplane is a little bit louder, which is surprising. You would think the single pipe on this Aprilia would be louder. Not the case. The Aprilia exhaust note is a little bit higher pitch, and you hear a lot of engine noise with this. Pretty clattery engine at idle, a lot of valve train noise. You almost hear more engine noise than you do exhaust noise at idle. And even with the twin silencers out the back, this bike is louder. It just has a more throaty punch behind the exhaust. The R1 is way bigger, way heavier, and surprisingly, still faster than the Aprilia. There's a drag event coming up this weekend. I'm going to try and get both bikes to the track and just show you guys how much of a difference there is. Because I've lined these bikes up on the street, and the R1 pulls pretty hard on the Aprilia. It took me by complete surprise, so stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, you got belt.